Everyone is talking about ecosystem restoration. But what is it, and why should you care? Ecosystem restoration is a multi-purpose solution to tackle biodiversity loss, climate change, and other societal challenges. And right now, new policies are being developed for large-scale restoration. For example, in the European Union through the Nature Restoration Law, which will require member states to develop national restoration plans. At the site level, ecosystem restoration measures are also gaining momentum. Maybe you've seen some restoration activities in your local neighborhood. Local communities and other stakeholders should be able to get involved in nature restoration, but this is not always the case. To highlight that the human and social dimensions of restoration projects deserve more attention, over 40 experts representing academia, local communities, decision makers, and practitioners came together at the end of 2023 to discuss how people can be an important part of ecosystem restoration. And by people, we mean you and me, all of us. We have a role to play. This short film highlights some key insights from the workshop.
I think it's about creating spaces for meaningful engagement, and these spaces need to be as open as possible in terms of format, but also in terms of content, as early as possible, and this refers both to in the process of restoration, but also in the lifetime of a person or potentially engaged participant, and as personal as possible.
There won't be high quality restoration if there's no social engagement.
Restoration requires context-specific knowledge, flexibility, and care.
We need to make ecosystem restoration a job, give the local communities the knowledge and skills to do the work themselves, and get paid accordingly.
Inspiration is both a driver of landscape restoration and an outcome.
Restoring our relationship with nature is reconnecting with ourselves.